That poem right there introduced me to Plucky. Plucky said, man, we got to do something together. We got to do something together. So we come up with an idea to bring y'all here. Our idea was to get 30 or 40 people in here. Look around tonight. Ain't God good? 4 years. When he said that, he said, well, we're going to need some people, Snake Eyes, Prentice. We are the original members of the wall. Us 4. We started recruiting. I think our first recruit was G8. And he had, he went on to do his thing. Yeah. We got LaQuana and I Am. And now we got motherfucking God's gift. Ain't that an anniversary gift for you? That's an anniversary gift for you. So Pluck, I want to say thank you, man. If don't nobody else say thank you, bro, I want to say thank you because you brought a vision of mine to life. So, and when I come to the mic here on out, Prentice, it's poetic nature. It ain't just poetic, okay? Poetic nature, get that out. Poetic nature. Right, we're going with poetic nature, all right? And I'm explaining to y'all how that come about. It's a new poem. It's called Return of a King. From out of the dark shadows of physical form emerged, in a visual form of words submerged in the depths of enlightenment. Intimidating, yeah, but not frightening. For he reeks with the smell of righteousness. Heavier than gold is the melanin God dipped him in. Blessed by the sun is the tone of the smooth dark skin his soul resides in. Though flesh exposed to the temptations of worldly sin, he knows deep within there lies the spirit of a king, so with God he has favor. See, he once was a planted seed in the wilderness of the streets. There he grew to be poetic nature. Poet by nature. Lyrical life savior. So in tune that he's able to eat at the table with his demons, devils, desires, and even his haters. And if this new hip hop is saucy, then his poetry is a flavor.
Hey.
So you don't want to waste it. It's like you can mentally taste it. That spiritual soul food. For he is that make your soul move, dude. Like how your soul moves to a Frankie Beverly Mays groove. Happy feelings in the air. Touching people everywhere. That's what this dude do. So he understands that heaven is finding a peace of mind. Hell is just the shit we go through. In his bloodline, you can find a descendant of an ancient African warrior king, Shaka Zulu. So in his veins is what his royalty flows through. And you will never hear him scream money over everything, because that's what fools do. Instead, he'd rather school you with the jewels to and the tools to bring light to your darkest path. So he can tell you that fear doesn't exist. Death is just an illusion. Troubles don't always last. And always be mindful of, but let your past be your past. Because through God, all things exist. The universe, all things are given, and all you got to do is just believe and act. Because without God, unstable legs will always walk on shaky ground. But with God, heavy is the head that wears a crown. Poetic nature, the return of a king, and shade. Whoa! Whoa! All right, man, y'all give it up for poetic nature. All right. Give it up one more time for poetic nature. Clap your damn hands. Give it up for every poet that's been up here thus far. All right, I got another poet. All right, y'all listen to this. Check this out. A little information before I bring up this guy. First time here at the wall. It's first time, right?
Nah.
First time on the mic?
Second time.
Second time, all right.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, please follow us on Facebook. Now, you don't have to, but just follow us so you know what's going on. That's the Wall Poetry fan page. It has the address, so just in case you get lost, 3370 C Avenue. All it is, it ain't all that crazy shit, because we will block that. All it is, we letting you know what's going on in our community as far as poetry, okay? Give you other venues to go check out. We do this first Saturday every month. Up next, we thank everybody that's came. That's my sister right there, my light-skinned sister, leaving out the door. She always support us. Love you, baby. All right? All right. Put y'all hands together and bring up this brother. Farad the God. Now, this is his second time. Farad in camouflage, so he gonna bring it. What goes up?
Yeah, but I kind of wish I went after my dude, man. My partner doing our thing for a while. And if he probably would have knew it was me, he would have came last or whatever. I don't want to shut this thing down. But it's called Shades. Sister have a divine essence. I see all y'all in this room, and we all come in different shades and different colors or whatever. And I love my sisters, believe that. It goes like, y'all come in so many shades, dark skin to light skin, happy to nappy hair, and roll tight, but still I love to be in your sight. Good to know, get to know your mind and insight. Essence is bright and beautiful. Dark sisters who scared shine just right at night. On my light sister who don't like to do it at the light. I like women, I appreciate it till one got my mind right. My eyes got tight, looking at your action, enjoying your presence, thinking about your complexion. It's different from your sister, brother, and mother. You say you get it from your great-grandfather, not knowing he was raped from, not knowing Nick's from a rape from to his mother. Our colors run deep, but I love this. But I love the skin. My sisters look so sleek. Forgive me, women from other races, but my sister take me to other places. Queens touch me, take my mind to different places. I love y'all, but y'all gotta remember y'all skin are different. Y'all sister have a different essence. Y'all touch me. This is just something that I'm going off of to let you know how beautiful y'all are. But y'all shade. Y'all sisters have a divine essence. Please shine bright, because I love you. These words that I speak from this mic, I hope that it reach tonight and shine bright and put a heart in your light and rise above. Let you know that you are not just the ordinary love. You are my queen. I do everything to protect you. But look at me, I'm your God. That's why they call me Farad. I do everything to ride. I'm not a facade. Baby girl, you best believe. I believe from God to Allah, whatever you call him. Just believe in something other than yourself. We all gotta ride. Because that book on the shelf is nothing. But take that shit, flip through the pages, but you gotta make your own decisions. Look at this, baby. I'm spitting this straight from precision. But that's my homeboy right there. We've been from everything, we've abroad and everything. That's my boy. But Flame Poetic Nature, now known best. Give it up for him, y'all. 4-year anniversary to the wall. Thank y'all for everything. Goodbye.
Okay, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate that, bro. We just kind of keep this thing rolling, man. Appreciate you, man. And we appreciate all the love. Y'all, we do this first Saturday every month, man.